Hi. Welcome to the gallery of my artworks. No, it's not a real gallery. Not yet. And the sizes you're seeing aren't always what they seem, but the art itself is absolutely real and available in my Etsy shop, Acrylic Emotions Art. My works are not just decorations, they are colors of emotion. Each painting is born from a deep exploration of human feeling, expressed through bold strokes, rich textures, and layered tones. With 2 master's degrees in psychology and many years of practice in counseling, I have spent my life studying emotions that often remain hidden beneath the surface. My art is where these emotions find their voice. Every canvas holds a different perspective depending on your own inner world. On one day you may see strength and fire in the reds and golds. On another you may feel calm, reflection, or even mystery within the same piece. Each work is alive, changing with your mood. Visit my Etsy shop, Acrylic Emotions Art, to find the artwork that resonates with your emotions. Thank you.